Hi everyone, this is a quick test with the recently released DJI Neo 2. I'm trying this cycling follow function with my HP Velotechnik Scorpion trike riding on dirt roads. The drone is controlled with the phone app over Wi-Fi. The first test is a rear follow, close distance, flat angle. On the left side you will see the trike speed measured with my phone's GPS. On the right is the drone speed, extracted from the SRT files created during recording. I started slowly and gradually increased speed. There was a slight tailwind at this point. Following from the rear worked with no issues up to about 30 km per hour. I didn't go faster on the first try. I also had a camera on the trike filming the drone in most scenes. Next attempt, following from the side, still close and flat. As I increase speed you will notice the drone shifting position, trying to keep up while also fighting wind gusts. Tracking remained good up to around 33 km per hour, which is honestly quite impressive. Above that, the drone began to lag behind and lost the side position. On the way back, now against the wind, from a front side position, you can see that above 22-23 km per hour it starts losing alignment. I think the wind had a major effect here. Next up is the front low position, which was pretty interesting. With the wind helping this time, the drone kept up without issues. Above 30 km per hour it struggled a bit to hold the exact position, but not with maintaining speed. On the way back the same thing happened, just at slightly lower speeds. This session included some turns. Tracking from the right side, medium distance, flat angle. The drone has some difficulty predicting where I'm going, but it catches up quickly. Maintaining the side position above certain speeds, however, isn't really possible. Here is a tracking test from behind to see how consistently the drone maintains speed and orientation. Due to the turns, it faced some visible challenges at various points, but it managed to catch up each time. This also shows how tracking behaves from the side on a rougher surface. You can clearly see the drone moving around a lot more. The last session is a low and close follow from the back on a narrower path with bushes and some trees. This works surprisingly well. So that was my first test with the Neo 2. I definitely couldn't outrun it with my trike on these roads. The weather turned rainy and cold, so I will have to wait a bit before testing it further. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Neo 2 and its tracking capabilities, and tell me what other tests you would like to see. See you next time, bye bye.